In this video, I am going to show you how to invert colors on your iPhone. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. The very first step is to go to settings on your iPhone, go to accessibility, go to display and text size. Now here you will see an option of classic invert. You can turn it on or turn it off. Also there is an option of smart invert. You can even try this method as well. If you want to turn it off, so this will turn off the invert colors on your iPhone. So this is how you can invert colors on your iPhone. For more detailed tutorial, click the first link given in the description of the video. So that's it about the video guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.